Welcome to online classes. Because of pandemic situation, our government conducted online classes. I am Sivalila working at KGBV Kanaganapalli, Anantapur district. How are you? I think all of you fine. Okay, welcome to online classes. Today we will discuss grammar part, direct speech and indirect speech. So, what is direct and what is indirect? So, direct is face-to-face conversation. Indirect speech, there is only send messages to another person. So, that is called indirect speech. So, once again, understand? So, direct speech. Direct is to face-to-face conversation. So, always represented inverted commas. So, that is called direct speech. Indirect speech. Only messages can send. This is indirect speech. So, look at the example. So, the first one is said, comma, inverted commas. The boys are playing. So, this is inverted commas in this sentence. That is called direct speech. So, the another sentence. He said that the boys were playing. This is not inverted comma. This is called indirect speech. So, in direct speech, the sentence is divided into two parts. The one is reporting verb. So, this is called reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. The verb that introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. So, the another reported speech. The exact words of the speaker which are put within quotation marks are inverted commas. Look at this example. The first one is Lucy said, I am wearing white skirt. So, there is a comma and inverted commas. So, this is called direct speech. The another sentence, Lucy said that she was wearing white skirt. In this sentence, no inverted commas. That is called indirect speech. See another example. Yogesh said, I am studying. Indirect speech. Yogesh said that he was studying. What are the changes you can identify here? First one is removal inverted commas. Second is change of tense. You can see present became past tense. Third is use of conjunction that. First of all, children, you know what is subject, what is object. The second one, first person, second person, third person. What is tense? Children, you understand these concepts. Look at the example. Sajia said to John. Sajia is the doing action. John is receiving action. So, Sajia, doing person. So, this is called subject. John is receiving person. This is object. Children, look at the table. Here, what is first person, second person, third person? Identify this table. Look at this chart. The first person, second person, third person. I, we, first person, second person, you, he, his, him, her, his, she, it, him, it's, etc. The third concept is tense. So, already you know, tense is 3. Totally, the tense are 12 tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. The subtenses simple, continuous, perfect, continuous. Children, you must keep in your mind the 3 important concepts, 3 things. Children, now let's understand steps to convert direct speech to indirect speech. This is the 6 steps formula. The first one is identify. Second, change of reporting verb. The third, replace with that. Fourth one, change of pronoun. Fifth, change of tense. The last 6 steps is update time specific words. So, To explain, first one is identify. This is the most important step. You need to identify 5 things: subject, object, reporting verb, first, second, third person, tense. The second step is change of reporting verb. Children, reporting verb will change in the following way: said to converted to told, said convert said, say to will convert tell, says to convert tell. The third step is replace inverted comma with that. They will remove the comma and inverted commas in this sentence and join the reported speech with that. That is the third step. The fourth one is the fourth step, change of pronoun. Identify. The first step in the reported speech will be changed as below. First person will be decided as per subject. Second person will be decided as per object. Third person will remaining no change. Children, remember with an acronym SON. Fifth step is change of tense. It will happen when reporting verb in past tense, when reported speech is not universal truth or habit. It will happen following way. Children, look at the chart. So, the first one is simple present. Simple present tense in the change of simple past. The second, present continuous to convert past continuous. Present perfect to change past perfect. Present perfect continuous, change past perfect continuous. Past tense, simple past. So converted to past perfect. Past continuous, convert past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. The tense, no change in the direct speech and indirect speech. In the future tense, will, shall, converted to would, should. Converted could, might. These are the tense it will be changed. Reported verb is past tense. Reported speech is not universal truth or habit. So this is the chart to change of tense. Children, already you listen 5 steps. So this is the last final step. The sixth step is change in the update time specific words. Change in the words denoting time. Words indicate change the tense. Update time specific words. To show in the chart, here to change there. Tomorrow change the next day. Today change the today. Yesterday to change indirect speech the previous day. This change that. Now change then. Tonight change that night. This is the 6 steps formula to convert direct speech and indirect speech for a statement. To change any sentence to convert easy process. In these 6 steps you can use the sentence. The first one, identify. Second, change of reporting verb. Replace with that. Change of pronoun. Change of tense. Update time specific words. These 6 steps you can use to simply to convert direct speech to indirect speech. Okay children, now let us see example to understand 6 steps. Let's convert it to indirect speech. So, the first example, she said to me, I am playing football with you now. She said to me, comma, inverted commas begin, I am playing football with you. The 6th step, denote time, now converted then. The 6th step, now will be converted then. So in the final, the direct speech is, she said to me, I am playing football with you now. So the reported sentence is for present continuous, will be converted past continuous. So reporting verb said to is changed told. So the indirect speech, the sentence is she told me that she was playing football with me then. So this is the converted to indirect speech. I tell once again. The first one is identify, second one is change of reporting verb, third one is replace with that, change of pronoun, change of tense, change of denote of time. So these are identify in the giving direct speech to sentence. So the final to change indirect speech. See, once again I read the sentence. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. In that indirect speech, she told me that she was playing football with me then. I hope to understand the 6 steps. Let us look into another example. Children, read the sentence. Ram said, Shyam, I started a new job. So, in this sentence, what will you do? First of all, the 6 steps implement in the sentence. What is the first step? Identify. What is the first step? Identify. So, first you can observe subject, object, first person. Is there sentence? No second person in this sentence, okay? So, first of all, you identify subject Ram, Shyam is object, I is first person. Who was I in this? I refer to Ram. So I converted he. So the fifth one, change of tense. So I started a new job. This started will be converted had started. So started simple fast, convert fast perfect. So what is indirect speech? Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. So once again, to observe the sentence, Ram said Shyam, I started a new job. What is the first step? Identify. So subject Ram, object Shyam, I is first person. Second, reporting verb identify. What is reporting verb? Said. The third, conjunction. You remove the quotation marks to use that conjunction. The next, change of pronoun. So what is pronoun? I. I refer to Ram. Ram is he. So I will convert it he. The last, change of tense. So, given the sentence is simple fast, so we'll convert it fast perfect. So, can write indirect speech. Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. Let us see one more example. Children, look at the example. They said, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. So, first you identify subject. Subject is they. There is no object in this sentence. So, we is first person. What is the reporting verb? Said. So, change of reporting verb also. Said is converted said. Conjunction is that. Pronoun we. We will convert it they. We is first person. So, we refer to they. So, we converted they. Tense. Will. Will to change would. So, given the sentence, simple future. So, will change would. So, change of time words. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will converted the next day. So, given the sentence, subject, there is no object, reporting verb, first person also you identify. So, you can change indirect speech. How to write indirect speech? They, subject is same, they said. Remove the quotation marks, that. We will also convert it they. So they said that they will, would convert would. Would plan a picnic tomorrow. Tomorrow is convert the next day. So I tell once again the indirect speech. They said that they would plan a picnic the next day. I hope the 6 steps to understand in these examples. Children, look at the chart. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. So, the first one, identify subject. Subject is the teacher. The students is object. Said to is reporting verb. Now, within the quotation marks, the tense is simple present. The sun rises in the east. So, conjunction is that. Reporting verb is said to. Said to convert told. So, to change indirect speech, the teacher told the students, remove the quotation marks, that. The teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. So why can the tense does not change? The sun rises in the east. So any member to say the sun rises in the east. Don't change the sentence. That is called universal truth. So universal truth does not change the tense form. Okay. So the 6 steps formula, I think all members to understand to easy way to direct speech and indirect speech. Students, with this end my session. Thanks for watching.